Okay guys, I was in the process of putting this new distributor in. I'll be doing all motor work, but first I want to just do these front shocks and get these out the way. So let's do these front shocks. We got the 9/16 bolts again. Let me see if I When you remove those bolts, it's going to relieve that tension from off that shock. So we have to jack it back up, jack the spring up to put the new shock back on. But it relieves that tension from off this bolt, so we can get that bolt off fairly easy now. Looks to be a 5/8 inch once again, and this looks to be, I gotta see what that is. We got this 11/16 bolts and a 5/8 inch wrench on the back. So I'm gonna drill it off with my impact. Okay guys, this bolt is fused inside of this thing too, guys. Look at this, the whole thing is spinning. Okay guys, I cut it off with my cutoff tool. Took a few minutes, if that, to slice this off of here. Gotta get some bolts tomorrow and some nuts. Okay guys. This is the bolt and the nut I bought. That's for the bolt, that's for the nut. And I had a couple washers laying around with the zinc coated. These are the new shocks. These are screws and stuff that come with. In comparison, the shaft is a little bit longer than this shaft, which is good. So I should be able to get it up there. I still have to compress that spring, using the jack, so I can just put it in place and then tighten it down. But I'm pretty sure this was the same, just over time this is shrunk. So let me get the new shocks installed. Okay guys, you want to put the washer on first. Put the smaller side towards facing the washer. The larger side will face inside of there. And push it up. You put the bushing facing this way. Then this, then the nut. The larger nut, then the smaller nut. Let me get it started. Okay guys, I got it jacked up. I'm trying to zoom in so you guys can see it. Jacked up right there, guys. And look how far I'm off the jack stand. You want to get up here. You want to kind of get some weight on it and compress that spring as much as you can to get a bolt started. Then I'm gonna use my air ratchet with a deep well socket and drill it down, guys. Once it bottoms out, guys, the whole shaft will spin like it's doing. So I'm gonna leave it right there and put the smaller nut on. Try to tighten this down to keep that nut from spinning back out. Okay guys, I got it's a 5/8 inch bolt. Here's my impact. How in the back is 18 millimeter. Guys, I should have bought a 4.5 inch bolt. So I'm gonna take that back and get a 4.5 inch. I want a little bit longer than that. But it's on there secure and tight as well as this. So I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna remove the other side right now, but I'm taking those back. So go with a 4.5 inch bolt, not a 4 inch. All right, guys, I'm done with this video. Subscribe to the channel to watch me finish this project out and the rest of them that I got going on right now. This is going in the paint shop the end of this week, so I got to push to get things ready. So hopefully to have it started in a second. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel once again. Hit the notification bell. Tearing some out. Okay, guys, I replaced the bolts with longer bolts. Both sides are done.